Hi, good evening all. I'm Satyashree from First MSc Biochemistry. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு டாபிக் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் அண்ட் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் ஆஃப் எத்திலின். அதில் வந்து இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன், ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆஃப் எத்திலின், டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் ஆஃப் எத்திலின் அண்ட் தென் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் ஆஃப் எத்திலின் பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். Introduction. Ethylene is a hydrocarbon which has the chemical formula C2H4 or CH2 double bond CH2. It is a colorless, flammable gas with a faint, sweet and musky odor when pure. It is the simplest alkene. Ethylene is widely used in the chemical industry and its worldwide production exceeds than that of any other organic compounds. The structure of ethylene CH2 double bond CH2. Distribution of ethylene. Ethylene does not move about the plant in physiologically significant amounts due to the resistance in the longitudinal direction and loss by emanation from the surface of the plant. Nevertheless, changes in ethylene concentration in one part of the plant may influence concentration in other parts. It is shown that the partition coefficients for ethylene between air and various plant organs are relatively high and may change in the course of development. These results are discussed in the relation of compartmentation of ethylene within the plant and the possible implications of such compartmentation for the control of growth of plant and development. This The next slide is also about the distribution of ethylene. The highest level of ethylene production by pistil took place immediately after bulb planting. Leaves produced a relatively high level of ethylene before bulb cooling and in early stages of shoot growth after planting. The third and fourth internodes produce more ethylene than the first and second internodes. Transport of ethylene. Ethylene should be transported from the roots to the shoots, perhaps by rising and bubbling up from the ground as a gas or being transported up as ACC. Ethylene affect attraction and repulsion. Ethylene should generally push nutrients and stimulating growth hormones out of the cells and attract deficiency hormones. Environmental cues such as flooding, drought, chilling, wounding, and pathogen attack can induce ethylene formation in plants. In flooding, roots suffer from the lack of oxygen or anoxia, which leads to the synthesis of 1-aminocyclopropane, 1-carboxylic acid, that is ACC. The ethylene production and ethylene forming enzyme EFE activity from different tulip organ tissues before cooling, during cooling, and different stages of the shoot growth after planting were measured. This is the mechanism of a facilitated transport of ethylene. The ethylene transports from higher pressure to lower pressure and reacts with Ag. Functions of ethylene. Ethylene is regarded as a multifunctional phytohormone that regulates both growth and senescence. It promotes or inhibits growth and senescence process depending on its concentration, timing of application, and the plant species. Growth. Ethylene stimulates horizontal growth and the swelling of the axis. It inhibits the growth in the longitudinal direction. Gravity. It reduces the sensitivity to gravity. The stem becomes positively geotrophic and the leaves and flowers undergo drooping. Senescence. It speeds up the senescence of flowers and leaves. Abscission. Ethylene stimulates the abscission of flowers, leaves, fruits, and other parts of the plant. It helps in the formation of hydrolysis. Apical dominance. It prolongs dormancy of lateral buds and promotes apical dominance. Breaking dormancy. It breaks the dormancy of seeds, buds, and storage organs. Ripening of fruit. Ethylene induces artificial ripening of climacteric fruits such as banana, mango, apple, etc. Flowering. Ethylene induces flowering in plants like pineapple and mango. In some plants, it also causes fading of flowers. Thank you all.